Business Brokers and Consultants is pleased to offer this specialty remediation and environmental cleaning company for sale. This established company provides critical emergency response and property restoration services throughout a large regional market. It operates within a highly specialized niche sector and has developed a reputation for professionalism, discretion, rapid response, and exceptional customer service. Meaningful barriers to entry include specialized training, industry protocols, equipment requirements, and operational expertise. These give the company a significant competitive advantage. The business has experienced significant growth year over year. Since 2023, sales have increased a total of 52.6%, with gross sales increasing by over $222,000 over the 3-year period. Revenue is generated from a diverse customer base and supported by referral relationships with professionals that regularly encounter highly confidential and specialized services. Sellers' discretionary earnings of approximately $285,000 make this opportunity an attractive acquisition for an owner-operator seeking substantial cash flow or a strategic buyer looking to expand. For more information about this business, please contact Business Brokers and Consultants at 502-425-0995 or visit our website bbrokers.com.